The course is not arbitrary. It is intentionally engineered to represent a real-world logistics breakpoint that exists in both military and commercial operations. At 5 nautical miles, you move beyond demonstration and into operational relevance. It stresses endurance, energy management, and thermal limits. It also introduces communications and control challenges that mirror real-world deployment. The flight lane is a compressed representation of a much larger mission corridor. It allows us to evaluate precision, repeatability, and safety in a controlled environment while still scaling to that 5 nautical mile operational concept. By combining a 5 nautical mile mission driver, a precision-constrained flight lane, and a tiered geofenced safety architecture, we're forcing competitors to solve the same problems that exist in contested logistics, autonomous resupply, and commercial heavy lift transport. The DARPA Lift Challenge course is not just a test, it's a proxy for the real world. If a system can succeed here, it's not just impressive, it's operationally relevant.